next question from the audience is, can I set up required and unique attributes in Attio? You certainly can, though there might be some limitations. For example, you cannot create unique attributes currently for the default objects, people, companies, or lists. However, for deals, you can create unique objects. So unique objects is something that can be added only once. So whenever you go to any to deals list view, in this case, we would go to manage attributes. And let's say I want to use a unique field like a user ID. So I can either make it as a text or a number, and I would say user ID, and I would make it as unique. So now what will happen? All of my deals will have this field. So if I go to any deal and I would fill in this field right here, UID, and I would put, let's say, number 1 just for testing purposes. So this deal has UID number 1. And if I go to any other deal, and if I would try to add this ID, same ID, click enter, it would give me an error saying this value is already in use. So unique fields, type of fields can be added to deals, or you can also add to your custom objects. So for example, if you've created contracts or interactions, so this is where you will be able to add also unique fields. On top of that, you will also be able to add required fields. As mentioned earlier, required fields currently cannot be added to the standard objects like people, companies, or deals. But if you have your custom objects, like in my case is contracts, whenever I go to manage attribute, and let's say I want to have a date field, so contract completion date, and I can make it as required as well as unique. So the required field will now always be for my contracts. So whenever I would add a new contract, then the field I would need to fill in this field. So right here, you see contract completion date becomes a required. I won't be able to do anything until I add this field.